If you have a pool and you're always messing around with the chemicals and trying to get your chlorine right, this thing is probably what you need to help you out. Let's get it out of the box here. So you have your owner's manual here, and then the diagnostic manual, which this really walks you through picture by picture, you know, if you're doing any troubleshooting or stuff like that, how to test different things, but it just walks you through the whole system and how it operates. A very, very good manual for sure for operating this thing. Now what this is a automatic chlorine generator. You do need a little bit of salt in your pool, but it's a very low amount, and this system takes that salt and converts it to that chlorine, which helps kill and deal with any bacteria that you may have in your pool. Once the bacteria count is down and it's cleared up, then that will revert back to sodium chloride, basically recycling itself. The only time you have to add more salt, let me get it out of the bag, it's making a lot of noise. So as I was saying, it would revert back to that sodium chloride and then just regenerate itself, and when the bacteria builds up again, it converts. Basically, this thing does all that automatically. Now, like it said, you do have to have a low, very low amount of salt content in your pool for it to do that, but nothing that's going to be any issue at all. And the only time you'd have to add to that is when you back flush the pool filter and you take water out, or if there's a lot of splashing water out and you have to add water, then you may need to add more of that salt. But this system is going to monitor that stuff for you and let you know exactly what you need to do. That's what's great about this. Now, here is the system itself right here. It is designed, let me just show you here. This is a very heavy unit too, so you want to make sure it's bolted securely on a wall. Whoa! But it has 6 spots that you can bolt this on a wall and make sure it's good and secure. But it is heavy because of what it does. But here it is on the inside here. Your control and everything, all your lights and stuff here is going to indicate where you're at as far as the system. And you have your diagnostic panel here with the numbers. And of course you have like a quick reference guide over on this side as well. Has a nice gasket on the cover, so when you close this up, it's sealed up pretty good, other than this one access point at the bottom here that your wire would come out of. So as I said, just like it says here, this is an electronic salt chlorine generator, and this is good for pools of multiple sizes here. Yeah, it's designed to purify 40,000 gallons of residential swimming pools, or 25,000 gallons of commercial swimming pool. So if it's residential, it will handle a bigger amount, but if it's a commercial or a public type pool, then it handles a little bit less because there's a lot more people and stuff getting in and out of that pool. So this will have to work a little bit more. So it can't do as many gallons of water, but still it's a significant amount. And most people, as far as a personal pool, don't have 40,000 gallons of water. I have a 30-foot above ground pool, and it's only about 18 or 19,000 gallons of water. So this thing would handle that with a piece of cake. So there's a little information for you right there. Now, as I said, you have the owner's manual here, and it's going to walk you through the whole operation of this unit. It's going to give you all the numbers, what to look for, what they mean, all your charts, your pounds of salt needed per gallons of water. I mean, everything is here, and it breaks it all down for you really nicely. And then I really like this one here because it breaks it down even more, but it gives you really the what is showing on this readout here on this screen. This thing is heavy, so keep that in mind. You want to make sure it's fastened really good. So you have this readout screen here, and there's going to be a lot of information coming on that, and that's what this book here will help with. Depending on what is showing up on that screen, it's going to help guide you to what you need to do or what it's telling you. You can see all these different readouts, different codes that pop up. This book is going to just spell it right out for you. Nice clear pictures with a clear description underneath. So it's going to be a relatively easy system to operate once you get it set up and ready to go. Now these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, and I want to thank them for that. Hopefully this short video will tell you a little bit about this, and you can decide whether or not it's right for you. And again, this goes on to show you if lights are lit up on this side here, gives you a little more in-depth information as to what those mean. So it really is a foolproof system once you get it run up, once you get it set up, and it'll just spell everything out for you. So if this is something you're looking for, or you need to replace yours or something like that, hopefully this short video will help you out, and you can determine whether or not this unit is right for you. So do your research, check it out, see what else you may need to get yours set up. But hopefully this short video will at least explain to you what you're going to get if you click that order button. Now, once again, I want to thank the company for sending this out to me. I am going to get this hooked up to our pool when I get some time, because it'll take a little bit. But I really appreciate the fact that you're willing to do that so I could show you what you're going to get if you click that order button. So hope the video helps you out.